This is Dr. B, and we're going to divide 19 by 25, and we're going to use long division. So I like to think of it this way, 19 over 25, like a fraction. We have 19, we want to know how many times 25 goes into 19. So we'll take our 19, and then we have 25, and we'll do long division. 25 doesn't go into 19. Let's call it 19.0 and then put a decimal point here, because now 8 times 25 is 200. That's too much. But 7 times 25, that's 175. So now when I subtract 190 minus 175, I get 15. 25 doesn't go into 15, but we could put another 0 up here as long as we move over a place. Bring that 0 down, and 25, 6 times 25 is 150. Subtract, no remainder, and we're done. So let's put a 0 up here just so we don't forget about that decimal point. When you divide 19 by 25, you get 0.76. If you multiply 0.76 times 25, you get 19. So now jump over to my next video on how to do long division. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.